Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Hytale game. The first thing I want you to do is come here to hytale.com, come here to the top right, click on register, and then I want you to go ahead and pick from any of these options right here to go ahead and sign up with. So I chose sign up with Google, and then you need to go ahead and verify your email address if that is the option you picked. Then you just come here to email, click on confirm account. Once your account has been confirmed, you can click here on home to reach this page, and then you'll see a pre-purchase option if you are on the page before the game was launched. If you're on here after the game was launched, it'll probably say purchase or buy. Just go ahead and click on that and it will redirect you to this page where you need to pick the edition you want to buy. So I'll go with the standard edition. Click here on pre-purchase. We'll scroll down here. You'll see what account you're buying it on. If you want to switch to a different account, you can click on switch here. Otherwise, click on I understand, and then it will open up this pop-up where you need to fill in your payment details. If you have a creator code or a coupon or gift card, you can enter those here as well. Here you can see which option we want to pay with. You can select any of these options, or you can also select more payment methods to pick any of these right here. I'll just go ahead and enter my card details. So we need our full name, zip or postal code, card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Just make sure you go ahead and agree to the terms while you are trying to pay. So I'll enter my card details right now. After you're done entering your card details, just click on pay with credit or debit card, and then it will go ahead and redirect you to this page. This is the checkout page. As you can see, they're actually processing my payment with our card. Now all I need to do on this page is wait for the confirmation, and depending on your card, they might prompt you to enter a code. So enter the code that will come on your phone number. Okay, I have entered the code. I'll click here on submit, and as you can see, our payment is now being processed. Here, as you can see, it says processing, and I just got a confirmation message on my mobile phone. If you see it as processing for a while, don't worry. You just come here, click on account, and then you click on game profiles. You'll see that we have purchased the standard edition. Really that easy, and that is how to buy Hytale game. If you found this helpful, I appreciate if you could like and subscribe to the channel. It also helps me out as well.